Attention please. It is the second part on the predeterminer. All is an important predeterminer. Here are some uses. About 10 different points have been presented expressing the usage of all as predeterminer. As a first step, all plus determiner such as the, these, that, these, those or my plus count or non-count noun. Example, all the books. Here, all being used before books refers to number. Similarly, with non-count noun, water, all the water, it refers to amount. Hence, all signifies quantity. Second, all plus noun, both count and non-count noun, with no article. Example, all ink or all water, all oil. Here, all expresses content. Analyzing the meaning, we see this part of the sea is all water, no article, predeterminer all plus water, non-count noun. This indicates that there is no trace of land in the area. Everywhere there is water, all water. Number 2, the pan is all oil. That implies the whole pan is bathed in oil. It is used in the disapproving sense. The thing cannot be recovered. It is all oil. It is destroyed, or it has become useless. In a disapproving sense, all is used here. All oil. 3. The page is all ink. The one word is omitted. The page is splattered with ink. No word is visible or legible. All ink. The whole page is covered with ink. All ink. Next usage, all of. That is an of construction. All of plus determiner plus count noun. Example, all of determiner the or my books. All of the books or all of my books. This implies every one of the books, not even one left. All of the books means every one of the books. All of my books, everyone, one by one. Not a single book is left. 4. Fourth usage, all of plus determiner plus non-count noun. Here example, all of the water, all of the determiner plus water. The entire water to the last drop. As with count noun, every one of the books. Similarly, the entire water to the last drop. Fifth usage, all plus temporal noun. All is predetermined is used before temporal noun. Example, all day, all night, all morning, all evening, all afternoon, all day long. No need of any article. Sixth usage, all plus temporal noun plus adjective, especially round. Example, all the year round, all the month round, all the week round, throughout. This implies throughout a period of time. Seventh usage, all plus the only plus noun. Specific the. Example, all the book. Here lies the typicality. Even though there is all, the count noun book is in singular form. All the book. What does this mean? The whole of the book. the entirety of the book, all the pencil, the whole part of the pencil, all the book. I have read all the book and I have completed the book. All the pencil, I have used all the pencil. That means the whole pencil is exhausted. We need to buy a new one. That is what it means. Eighth usage, all plus cardinal plus noun, count noun. All plus cardinal plus noun. Example, all three cases fall to the environmental crisis. Some grammarians say all cannot be used before cardinal or ordinal numbers quantifiers. But in a specific sense, all can be used before cardinals. Three cases fall to the environmental crisis. So as to emphasize, all can be used, all three cases, not even a single is left. All 10 persons, one by one, involved have been arrested. All 10 persons. 10 persons involved have been arrested. But all adds, emphasizes the meaning of the phrase 10 persons. That's why all can be used before this. All is used emphatically. That explanation is given. It is distinctive. Ninth usage, ninth and last. All plus my plus many plus count noun. Here lies another typicality. Almost all grammarians refuse to make use of any quantifier like many, much. Here it is used with a special sense. You see, all my, example, I have many storybooks. Situation, all my many storybooks are about ghosts. All my many storybooks. I have many storybooks. All my many. All, that means all my storybooks are about ghosts. I have a few pens. Similar example. All few pens. All my few pens or all few pens are Parker brand. All few. Few is a quantifier. So in this sense, so as to emphasize, all can be used before quantifiers. This is how all can be used as quantifier, taking the determiners without taking any determiner, taking the quantifiers which is refused by many grammarians.